Suppose you have to type a particular word or a line regularly in a document like address, phone number, email ID, verification in legal document. Then you have to type this word regularly or line. This problem can be solved using Microsoft Word auto text feature. So what is auto text feature? Auto text is a reusable content that you can store and access again and again in Microsoft Word. Let's see this example. Suppose you have to write this 5 or 6 line regularly, then you have to type this line again and again. To avoid repetitive typing, I am showing you how to use autocorrect feature. Kindly select this 5 and 6 line. Click on quick parts. Click on auto text. Click on save selection to auto text gallery here. Then give name. The name should be minimum of 4 characters. You can select the option from here like auto text, cover page, equation. It will save in that folder only. So let it keep it auto text only. You can give description like benefit of typing or any other thing. Then you can save in normal and building blocked USA, keep it same as normal. You can also select option from here like insert on content only, insert content in its own paragraph or insert content in its own page. And then select the insert content option only. Then click OK. Now delete this. Control plus backspace. Then click on quick parts, auto text. Then this is the benefit of typing. You can type it again. You can using quick part type it again, like click on quick parts, auto text, benefit. Where you can avoid repetitive typing as many times as you need, and we will be able to paste the content only as per your requirement. This helps in saving a lot of your time. And another example. Look at the screen. The content shown is verification, and it is mandatory to write verification on an affidavit in a legal document. So how to automate this process? Select this 4 to 5 line, then click on quick part, then click on auto text, then click on save selection to auto text gallery. Then kindly name it. It should be minimum of 4 characters, like then click on OK. Then delete this. Then click on quick part, then auto text, then verification. Again, click on quick part, auto text, and verification. In this way, you can type as many times as you need without typing it. You have to just save it and reuse it whenever it requires.